I bet you didn't know just how incredibly amazing Portland, Maine truly is. Hey there, travel buddies! Welcome to While You Are There, where we take you on the most exciting adventures. Are you craving a fun-filled and delicious getaway that will leave you with unforgettable memories? Let me tell you all about the charming and vibrant city of Portland, Maine. This delightful city is bursting with the freshest seafood, rich history, and an abundance of good vibes. So pack your bags, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Portland is the perfect blend of small-town charm and big city excitement, offering something for everyone. You'll discover picturesque cobblestone streets, a stunning waterfront, and the friendliest locals you'll ever meet. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure that will leave you wanting more. We'll explore historic landmarks, indulge in mouth-watering treats, and soak up the unique atmosphere of this coastal gem. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted with that refreshing salty sea air and the delightful sound of seagulls. Get ready to indulge in the freshest and most delicious seafood you've ever tasted. We're talking about mouth-watering lobster rolls, creamy clam chowder, and fish tacos that will absolutely rock your world. So, are you ready to dive into the heart of Portland and experience all it has to offer? Let's go. Next stop, the Old Port. This historic district is like stepping back in time. Picture cobblestone streets, charming brick buildings, and the salty air of the Atlantic Ocean. Get ready to explore. As you stroll through the narrow streets, you'll be amazed by the unique shops. Find handcrafted jewelry, local art, and one-of-a-kind souvenirs. Hungry? Don't worry, the Old Port has you covered. Get ready for a culinary adventure. From cozy cafes to award-winning restaurants, the Old Port is a foodie's paradise. And let's not forget about the seafood. Indulge in a classic lobster roll, creamy clam chowder, or a platter piled high with fresh oysters. Don't forget to save room for dessert. Ready for some breathtaking views and a dose of history? Then head to Portland Head Light. This iconic lighthouse has been guiding ships safely to shore since 1791. It's a must-see. Located in Fort Williams Park, the lighthouse offers stunning views of the rocky coastline and the vast Atlantic Ocean. Take a walk along the cliffside path and breathe in the fresh sea air. As you explore the park, you'll discover the remnants of old military fortifications. Imagine the stories these walls could tell. The history here is fascinating. After your lighthouse adventure, grab some lunch at the park's cafe. You can't go wrong with a picnic basket overlooking the ocean. Local favorite, want to experience Portland like a true local? Then hop aboard a lobster boat tour. This is an adventure you won't forget. You'll get to see firsthand how Maine's famous lobsters are caught. Plus, you'll enjoy incredible views of the harbor, and maybe even spot some seals. The lobstermen will teach you all about their traditional fishing methods. They'll explain how to bait and haul the traps. You might even get to hold a live lobster. Don't worry, they'll show you how. These tours are fun for the whole family. They offer a unique glimpse into the state's maritime heritage. Cheers to local brews and good times. Calling all beer lovers. Portland is a craft brewery paradise. From hoppy IPAs to smooth stouts, there's a brew for every taste. Get ready to raise a glass. Start your brewery hopping adventure in the heart of the city. You'll find many breweries within walking distance of each other. One must-visit spot is Allagash Brewing Company. They're known for their Belgian-inspired beers. Another favorite is Bissell Brothers Brewing. They offer a cool, industrial-chic tap room and a rotating selection of delicious brews. Don't be afraid to ask the bartenders for recommendations. They're passionate about their craft and happy to guide you to your new favorite beer. Cheers to that. Time to soak in the artsy atmosphere. Portland is bursting with a lively arts and culture scene. From contemporary galleries to street art, creativity is all around. A must-visit is the Portland Museum of Art. It showcases a diverse collection of American, European, and contemporary art. For a more local vibe, explore the galleries in the Arts District. You'll find everything from paintings and sculptures to jewelry and ceramics. And don't miss the street art. The streets are filled with murals and graffiti art. They add so much color and personality to the city. Take a stroll and see what hidden gems you can find. Well, folks, there you have it. Portland, Maine is a city that truly has it all. From its rich history and charming old port to its delicious seafood and thriving arts scene, Portland offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an art enthusiast, you're sure to fall in love with this coastal gem. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Portland adventure today. You won't regret it. Trust me, once you experience the magic of Portland, you'll be planning your return trip before you even leave. Happy travels! If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your support helps us bring you more exciting adventures. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and discovering new places.